How to recover Westpac Bank Online Banking. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search icon. Type in banking.westpac.com.au. Search for it. You'll be led to the official sign-in interface of Westpac. You'll be able to log in to your account. Since you want to recover your account, tap on the option Forgot Customer ID or Password. If you want to recover your password, tap on the option Password. If you want to recover the customer ID, tap on the option Customer ID. I'm going to tap on the option Password. Once you do that, enter your customer ID and date of birth over here. Simply enter the customer ID. Enter your date of birth. First of all, enter the day, enter the month and enter the year. Tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. If the details that you provided are correct, you'll be able to recover your account. You'll receive the OTP on your SMS or email. Enter the OTP, follow through the prompts and your account will be recovered. Like this, you can recover Westpac Bank Online Banking account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.